First question I've labelled number 1 and the second question I've labelled number 2. Now because the three y's, they both have the same coefficient, I'm going to subtract 1 and 2. So I'm going to say 1 take away 2 here. So 5x take away 2x is 3x. Plus 3y take away 3y is 0, so plus nothing, is equal to 41 take away 20, which is 21. I then get 3x equals 21, and then I get x equals 8. Now because I found x equals 8, I'm going to sub x equals 8 into, now I choose the one with the smaller numbers to make it easier, so I'm going to choose number 2. So sub x equals 8 and 2, so 2 lots of 8 plus 3y would be equal to 20. So that is 16 plus 3y is equal to 20. So 3y is equal to 36. So y is equal to 12, as you can see there. Question 2. So question 2 up here, I'm going to call them 1 and 2 again. Now this one's harder because they have different letters. I'm going to get the x's the same, so I'm going to times this one by 2 and this one by 3. So that one was by 2 because that one was by 2, that one by 3 because that one's by 3. And that creates two new equations, 3 and 4. So I'm going to double everything here, so I get 6x plus 2y equals 46, and I'm going to triple everything here. So that's going to be 6x plus 6y is equal to 81. I'm then going to do 3 take away 4. 6x take away 6x is gone, it's nothing. 2y take away 6y is minus 4y. And then 46 take away 81 is, no, if I do that, 5, I didn't need to do that, minus 45, so that's minus 45 there. So y is equal to minus 45 over minus 4. 2 minuses will make a plus, and that's going to be 4 into 40 is 10 times. So 4 into 44 is 11 times. So this is going to be 11.25. I'm then going to sub that into question 1. So I'm going to say sub y equals 11.25 in 1. So I get 3x plus 11.25 equals 23. See what I'm doing there. I'm going to take the 11.25 over, so I get 3x is equal to, that's going to be 11.75. And then 3 goes into that, 3.9 times. I'm just going to leave it as 3.9, so there's my two answers there. Question number 3. Okay, so these ones here, I want to do 1 and 2. Now I have the y's that are the same, so I'm going to take them away. 1 take away 2, that's going to be 9x take away 4x is 5x. 4y's will cancel, and then 19 take away 20 is minus 1. So then x is equal to minus 1/5. I'll sub that, sub x equals minus 1/5 into number 2. So I get 4 lots of minus 1/5, and then plus 4y is equal to 20. That'll be minus 4/5 plus 4y is equal to 20. So 4y will equal 20 and 4/5. So y will equal 5 1/5. And finally, for question 4. Okay, now because these are different signs, what I need to do is I need to add the equations together, but these sides need to be the same. So I'm going to times this one by 3, I'm going to times this one by 2. So I get equation 3 and equation 4. This will be 6x plus 6y equals 42. And this will be 10x minus 6y is equal to 38. I then add the equations together. 6x plus 10x is 16x. 6y plus minus 6y, so that's like taking it away is 0. And then 42 add 38 is 80. And then I will divide both sides by 16. So divide that by 16, divide that by 16. I don't actually know how many 16s go into 80, so I'm going to write the 16 times table by here. 16, 32, 48, so I'm just adding 16 every time. 64, 80, so that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the fifth one, so x equals 5. I'm going to then sub x equals 5 in 1, because it's smaller numbers, so it's easier. And I get 2 lots of 5 plus 2 lots of y equals 14. So 10 plus 2y equals 14. I'm then going to take 10 off each side. So 2y is equal to 4. So y then be equal to 2.